Dreamweaver 2018, The Working Navigation, Understanding the Basics, Part 4. Greetings, Webbies. We've gotten a whole lot done, but the most exciting part is coming up now. You're going to learn just how easy it is to create working navigation. Very simple, nothing fancy, but it's going to work, and that's what counts. Plenty of time to add all the bells and whistles. You can see we have an unordered list with 4 list elements, and we have a page, an about page, a contact page, an index page, a work page, and of course, our external styles that we created from our first basic page with the internal styles. So now we are ready to create that navigation. I'm going to highlight the first list element in my code view from left to right. Then at the top Dreamweaver menu, I'm going to click on Window, and I'm going to select Properties. Now, from the Properties panel, in the HTML portion, you'll see on the left you have HTML and CSS. Make sure that HTML is clicked on. You'll see a blank text box, and beside it to the left, the word link. To the right, you'll see a folder, and then to the left of the folder, you'll see something that looks like a little site. It's a circle quadranted off at each quarter point. So what I'm going to do with my mouse, I'm going to left click on that circle, and I'll see it pops up point to file. I'm going to left click and hold, and then I'm going to drag up, and you'll see I'll have a blue line and an arrow to the index.html icon, and I'm going to let go. You'll see that it's added the link element completely for us. Now I'm going to highlight the about list element. I don't need to change anything at the bottom. As soon as I highlight something else, it's ready to go with the next thing. I'm going to grab that little circle that's to the right of the link text box. Okay, I'm going to grab my little circle again. I'm going to go to about. I'm going to let go. I'm going to grab my work list element. And again, my little circle with the quadrants that says point to file. Now this is work. Remember, the file name has no spaces. It's very brief and concise. Okay, I have Contact Me selected. I'm going back to my little point to file circle. I'm left clicking. I'm dragging up to contact. Alrighty, and now I'm on the index page. I can see I have that little asterisk to the right of index.html in my top tab. I'm going to click File. I'm going to click Save. I see the asterisk goes away. You might be wondering why we went ahead and created the list elements on every page, because as you can probably guess right now, I'm going to select from the beginning of my unordered list to the end of my unordered list from this page. Each page navigation is exactly the same. Be very careful when you select your navigation that you go all the way from the unordered list opening tag to the unordered list closing tag. It's easier to grab the UL opening and closing tag. The goal is to eliminate the possibility of making mistakes. So I'm copying that working navigation. I'm going to highlight from the UL opening, making sure I get everything. Don't want to leave any pieces there. To the UL closing tag, I'm going to right click and paste. I know that I've done that one because it has the asterisk. I'll wait and save until I get them all. I highlight from the UL opening to the UL closing tag, no more, no less. It won't work correctly if you get too much or if you don't get enough. And I always do the home page first, but then it doesn't matter the order you do the rest of them in, as long as you keep up with which ones you've done. Don't leave any out. Okay. And now I'm going to go File, Save All. And if I preview this inside of Dreamweaver, it won't be as dramatic because you won't really see the obvious page changes in the tab and in the address bar. And I want you to see that. You've worked hard to get there, so I'd like for you to see it. So I'm going to lower the Dreamweaver interface, and I'm going to double click on my Web 140 folder. And inside my tutorial folder, I'm going to select my index.html. That's my home page. I'm going to double click. I can bring it over here and see. Here's my home page. about my work, and you can see how it changes on the tab. Contact me. The text is different for the navigation because it's using the default. We haven't given it any styles yet. So here you go. Congratulations. You've created your first working little mini website. It's all uphill from here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great day.